Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Okay, before starting today's video, I just want to say one thing. One of my really close friend has started a blog. Even that is on IPL itself, so please go and check it out. It's in the description down below. I liked it, even you guys will like it. So yeah, and do follow him on Instagram and Twitter, I guess. So yeah, so please do that. And let's start with the analysis. So let's analyze the fathers team today. The great Chennai Super Kings. I like their team. They won three times. That is really good. One of the most consistent teams, and they produce good team every year. So that's a really good thing. And also, few times it wasn't in IPL also due to some reasons, as we all know. So yeah, so let's start with their team. Let's start with MS Dhoni, their captain. Amazing player. Last season was his one of the best seasons in IPL till now. So which is really good. Made 416 runs last year with an highest of 84 and average was 83 last year, which is too good. He's played really well last year, but again, in 2017 he's not played well, and even in 2016. So you never know how good he will play this season in UAE. But again, let's see how he plays. And yeah, it's in UAE, so the conditions also will prefer him. So let's see how he plays this season. Next player on the list is Amity Raidu. Even he has retired from international cricket, which is sad again. He's not been that good in IPL. Last IPL, he played 17 matches with 282 runs, highest of 54, and average 23.50, which is not that good. So I don't know, but he's a good batsman. I like him. And even in UAE, I guess the conditions will suit him again. So yeah, so let's see how Ambati Raidu plays this season for Chennai Super Kings. Next player on the list is KM Asif. I have not seen him, so yeah, he's an all-rounder. So yeah, so let's see how he plays. He used to play for Kerala, so yeah, so we don't know how he's going to play. He's an all-rounder. So yeah, so let's see. Next player on the list is Deepak Chahar. I like him. He's a good bowler. He's performing really well for CSK from last many years. I think he's been really good under MS Dhoni. Last year he's played 17 matches, took 22 wickets with an average of 21 and economy 7, which is really good. Good bowler, and again, I think he's going to play good in UAE. So yeah, so let's see how he performs. Next player on the list is the great Bravo. He's been amazing for CSK from last many years. Uh, he's more preferred as bowler than batsman because batting statistics are not good for him. He's only played 12 matches, made 80 runs with an average of 16. As you can see, not that good statistics, but bowling is good for him. He's took 11 wickets last year with an average of 30 and economy 8, which is good for IPL. So yeah. So I think he's going to play good in UAE because he has played the T10 tournament, which happens in UAE every year. So yeah, so he knows the conditions out there, and he's played good for them. So yeah, so let's see how he's going to play for CSK this season. Next player on the list is Faf Duplessis. He's a great batsman. He's played 12 matches last season, scored 396 runs, highest of 96, and average of 36, which is good. He can be much better, guys. This is okay statistics for him, but he can be much better. So let's see how he's going to perform this season for CSK, and I hope he's going to perform good. So yeah, not hope, but yeah. Next player on the list is Imran Tahir. He's a very good bowler. He's a very good bowler in India. But the question is, will he be good in UAE? Last year statistics was good enough for him. Played 17 matches, took 26 runs with an average of 19 and economy was 6, which is really good. But this was in India. Now he's going to play in UAE, so that's the concern. Love to see him because I love his celebration, like how he celebrates after taking a wicket. I like that. So let's see how he's going to perform for CSK this season. So yeah, so let's see that. Here on the list is Narayan. Not that Narayan that KKR has, but he's a new guy for CSK. This is going to be his debut IPL. So he's a wicketkeeper batsman, played for Tamil Nadu. Again, let's see. I've not seen him play. So again, let's see how he performs for CSK this season. Another great all-rounder on the list is Shane Watson. Amazing player. But when he came from Bangalore to CSK, I was like, why is CSK taking him? But yeah, he performed really well after coming to CSK under MS Dhoni. He played 17 matches, made 398 runs, highest of 96, average 23, which is good. In 2018 also, he's performed really good. So yeah, so let's see how he's going to perform this year. But last season he's not balled at all. So again, that's a concern because of his age factor, I guess. So yeah, so let's see how he's going to perform this season for CSK in UAE. Next player on the list is Shardul Thakur. Again, a young, talented bowler. Played 10 matches, took 8 wickets, and average was 35 and 9 was the economy, which is good. He's a good, talented bowler and he's performed really good under MS Dhoni. So again, he's going to perform really good, I guess. So yeah, so let's see how he's going to perform this season for CSK. Player on the list is Sam. Uh, I like him. He's good bowler. Played 9 matches, took 10 wickets. Average was 32 and economy was 9. So yeah, so let's see how he performs in UAE this season. Next player on the list is Piyush Chawla, ex KKR player. Now you can say. When he was in KKR, he was a very good bowler, very consistent bowler, I should say. But again, he's a spinner, and I don't think he's gonna be in the 11 for CSK this season. But let's see what happens. In 2019, he's played 13 matches, took 10 wickets with an average of 39 and economy was 8, which is really good. He's a good player. I like him. He was a really good player for Kolkata Knight Riders, but now he's going to play for CSK. So yeah, so let's see how he plays in CSK this season. Next player on the list is Josh Hazelwood. He's a left-handed batsman and a right-handed bowler. I really like him. He's a really good bowler. He's been really good for Australia as well. So let's see how he plays for CSK this season. And I guess this is going to be his debut for CSK this season. So yeah, so let's see how he's going to perform, and I think he's going to perform good for CSK this season. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, like, share, comment down below, do whatever you want to, and do check out my friend's blog. It's in the description down below. Do check it out, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next video then. Bye.